Hey, it's Charlie. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are talking about passive income. More specifically, how you can get started with $100 or less. It's one of those things that everyone wants. It's in the news, entrepreneurs talk about it all the time, and all these rich people, they seem to have it. It's the holy grail of income, but how do we get it? In this video, I will go over 4 ways that you can set up a passive income empire so that you can get paid without continuing to work all the time. Now, in the last year, I've really been building my own passive income streams so that I can take days off, but still have cash flow coming in. If you want to do the same, watch this video and I will show you how. Now, I will say that the first part of getting passive income is actually just changing your mindset about making money. So instead of receiving money, you want to create money. And to create money, that means that you're making something that generates income. So this could be like making YouTube videos, this could be having blog content, this could be a cash flowing property or stocks. All these things generate income for you. Now, then people ask, like, how is owning stocks creating something, right? Well, how it works is you own a small portion of the company, so whatever they create, it's like you're sort of creating it too. That's how I like to look at stocks. So once you create that thing that then generates you income, that is how you continually make passive income, and that is how you level up your income game. This mindset shift, it really helps a lot of people understand how passive income works. And when you think of it like this will help you increase your cash flow beyond your 9-to-5 job. Remember, you guys, it could be a product, it could be an asset or an investment. There are so many different ways for you to create passive income today. So now let's talk about some easy ways that you can get started generating passive income. This works no matter how old you are, so I don't care if you're like 15 years old or 50 years old. Age literally doesn't mean shit when it comes to making passive income. All right, the first way that you guys can start generating passive income is by buying dividend stocks. This is the one thing that you can do literally right now to start generating passive income. Now, you probably won't get rich by doing this, but it will give you a taste of how awesome passive income is. And then once you get your first dividends paid out, you'll be hooked and you'll have some more motivation to create other streams of passive income. So to do this, the first step is just to sign up for a stock brokerage account. You can use something like Robinhood, WeBull, Vanguard, or M1 Finance. And once you sign up for one of those accounts, you'll be able to buy a few dividend paying stocks. Now, if you guys want 2 free stocks, make sure to use my link below for WeBull. They're giving out 2 free stocks worth up to $1,650 when you open up an account and deposit $100 or more. So now getting back on the dividend stocks, here's some really popular dividend paying stocks that you can buy right now. There's AT&T, Verizon, MetLife, and AbbVie, to name a few. As long as earnings don't drop a lot, these dividends will keep getting paid out and you'll make money each quarter. And also, if they grow as a company and their stock price goes up, you'll also make a profit from appreciation as well. This is one of the only ways to make passive income without a lot of hard work up front. And that's why stocks, it's the first step that you guys should take to building passive streams of income. All right, the second thing we're talking about is creating a digital product. And this could cost you literally nothing. It's just likely going to take up a good amount of your time. I have one word for you guys for this section, and that is scalability. With the internet, you can scale any good product with the right advertisement tools. So let's go through an example. Let's say that you want to make an editing preset for Photoshop. This is basically a preset edit that people can apply to their photos. And this would work perfectly if you have something like a photography blog. What I would do is I would post it there, sell it for maybe $30 per download. And guys, this is just so powerful because it literally doesn't cost you anything for each product that sells. After all, it is just like a download, right? So whenever you get a sale, it's not like you have to go out there and make that product with actual materials and then ship it out to them. All you have to do is just email it to them, and that doesn't cost you any money. This leaves you $30 for each sale minus transaction fees. So let's say like you're left with $29. Now, how much are you willing to pay to get a sale? Theoretically, it's up to $29, because as long as your cost to acquire a customer is under $29, then that means you are making a profit. And this also doesn't include the fact that that customer could be a future customer, because once you get them to buy one time, there's a good chance that they'll buy from you again, as long as your product is good and they get a ton of value from your product. Now, if you can break even on your first purchase, so in this case of the photography action, let's say you pay $29 to get one customer who buys that thing and generates $29 of revenue. Now, this doesn't sound that good on paper, because you're like, I spent $29 to make $29. That literally doesn't make me any profit, right? That's true in the short term, but if you continue to make more digital products, you already have them on your email list, and when you send it out to them, there's a good chance that they might buy, and that is when you can create more revenue per customer. So yeah, if you can break even on the first purchase, then that is already a win. With this strategy, it leaves so much wiggle room for you to actually go out there and acquire clients. Let's say it costs $15 to get one purchase of your photography preset. That means you have basically a 100% return on investment. every $1 you put in gets in $2 of revenue. And when you have a winning ad set like that, you can scale that to the moon. This is why I'm so big on digital products like downloads, courses, ebooks, and more. There's just so much power and scalability via organic traffic and paid advertisements. And this brings me into my next point, which is organic traffic. Okay, the third thing we're talking about today is building an audience. And building an audience, it's the best thing that you can do for passive income. It also doesn't have to cost any money. It opens up so many doors to making money in so many different ways. Now, I am still relatively new and I'm still somewhat of a small YouTuber, but the opportunities for passive income that this channel has created for me, it's mind-blowing. Like, it's just absolutely crazy how much my income sources have changed in the last 6 months. So to build an audience, well, it's 2020, so there are so many different ways that you can do this. For example, you can start a YouTube channel just like I did. You can make an Instagram and specialize in IG Reels. That's what I really recommend. You can do things like TikTok. You can start a blog, you can have a podcast. There's probably like 100 or 1,000 other ways that I don't know about. However, I do know that for YouTube, you can actually start just using your phone. You don't need to invest in really expensive equipment. And you guys, if you have an iPhone or if you have any good like Google phone, chances are the camera on that is pretty amazing. And it's totally sufficient for you to start making content with. Now, if you do want to start like a blog or a website, that's also extremely cheap to start. You'll pay like $10 for a domain and then maybe like a few bucks per month for hosting. I wanna let you guys in on a little secret, and this is like the funnel that I've been using to really build up this channel to where it is right now and just be able to sustain such rapid growth in all my different platforms. So how this funnel works is you start off by making short form content on platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok. These platforms have such great discoverability, and it's where hundreds of thousands or millions of people can discover your platform. You have to make really engaging and valuable information that really sticks with people and stands out. And once you do that, that's when you create a CTA, a call to action, and shoot them over to your YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the best places for your personal brand to live. It's gonna last so long and it's gonna open up so many opportunities for you. So of course, like any platform, the beginning is the hardest. So getting those first initial viewers is the toughest part. However, if you properly use this funnel, you'll be able to get organic traffic from Instagram and TikTok all the way to your YouTube. And that is gonna give you a huge head start. And once you have that YouTube channel established, that's when you can focus on AdSense, so you get money from ads being played in front of your videos or during the middle of your videos. From affiliates, so that's when you put affiliate links in your description and receive a small commission for every sale that you make. And the king daddy is to sell a digital product through your YouTube channel. It's almost impossible for anyone to build a 7-figure business with just AdSense and affiliates, but once you add a digital product into that mix, well, that becomes entirely possible. Now, this funnel I just talked about, this is the ultimate 6 to 7-figure roadmap for building passive income. Not only does my YouTube channel generate 6 figures in AdSense revenue alone, but it also creates 6 figures in affiliate income, which is completely passive, and the potential to create another 6 to 7 figures in product sales. So I really have to plug my YouTube course that's coming out soon, because I'll show you guys exactly how I built this channel to multiple 6 figures and give you a step-by-step blueprint of becoming a successful YouTuber and entrepreneur. And people don't realize that having a large audience is just half the battle. It's all about knowing how to make engaging content consistently, getting it pushed out by the YouTube algorithm, and then knowing how to monetize in many other different ways. That makes the difference between having a channel that barely makes any money to making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. So I will link that below. Now, the takeaway with this point is that once you're able to build an audience, the sky is the limit. All right, the fourth way that you guys can start generating passive income is through affiliate marketing. This is also another one that you guys can start doing right now for free. What I recommend doing is watch this overview first, but then watch my full beginner's guide if you want the full details on starting affiliate marketing. So how this method works is you make content and then you put other companies' links in the description or article or whatever content it is you're making. This link that you place, it's gonna be a referral link. So it's gonna be tracked to you. When people see your content and they click that link and then buy it, you will get a small commission. You're basically acting as sort of like a salesperson. You drive traffic to the product, and then if they buy that product, you make a little bit of money for each sale. This is completely free to start. Literally anyone can do it, and it's just really easy to set up within a few hours. However, it's not easy to be successful at it because it requires a lot of smart planning and it requires a lot of traffic. If you've mastered the traffic, then affiliate income can likely bring in 6 figures a year pretty easy. The easiest way to become an affiliate is to just join Amazon's affiliate program. This is called Amazon Associates. It's free to join, literally anyone can join right now, and it lets you start promoting any product that is listed on Amazon. You do get a small commission if they click on your link and then buy it. Generally, it's going to be around 1 to 10%, and it just really depends on the category of the product. Or you can also join an affiliate network such as PartnerStack, which has tons of different brands on it. So you can basically apply directly with those brands from their platform, and it's just really, really convenient. With this, you can make money in your sleep when people see your content and click on the relevant links. People are literally always going to be watching content, so you can be working on your other businesses. People will still be watching your content, and you will be making money in the background. Now, I found that the best type of content that works well with affiliate marketing is making targeted videos with relatable affiliate links. This creates the best conversion. And if you do it right, you should be able to create more income from affiliate marketing than from AdSense. It's such a powerful passive income source, and it really is one that you guys should try and master. So yeah, those are some of the best ways that you can make passive income this year with not a lot of money up front. These are the ones that I'm most familiar with and that I have done myself, but basically you can take any skill, and if you're creative enough, you can probably turn it into a passive income source. Likely it's going to be turning that skill into some type of digital product and then selling it on the internet. Really though, there is no limit in how much passive income you guys can generate. I just want you to know it's not that easy, but the sky is limitless. So if you keep trying, if you're creative about it and you work hard, something will stick, you'll make some money out of it. Another thing will stick, you'll make more money from it, and so on. So with that, I'll end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. I make a ton of content about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.